and we got paired up with this older gentleman, and he's talking about he buys stocks and there's a big disruption going on in the industry, and the number one thing, and he's buying stocks around this, and he was calling them A1 stocks. So what do you mean by A1, like grade A1? He goes, well, A1. He goes, you don't know of A1? I'm like, well, no, tell me. I'm like, this is some 85-year-old guy, what's he talking about? Well, he's talking about AI. He goes, well, I call it A1. I'm like, well, it stands for artificial intelligence, right? He's just like, oh, like, kind of hit him. So kind of interesting. Hey, I hope I'm still playing golf at 85. I don't care if I get things called,
Right.
artificial intelligence a steak sauce. But talk to me about artificial intelligence. A little bit of sales spin. We'll probably have a follow-up question, but AI and marketing, what's going on?
Yeah, I'm glad you asked because I'm actually running a circuit now. I recently spoke in Dallas, in Vegas, and then next week, actually, I'm flying to New York to speak about AI and email marketing. And a lot of people don't know, but the term AI was actually coined in the 40s, right? And it's been around for a long time. It went through some AI winters where nothing was developed, but more recently, it's become front and center. And people are, number one, afraid it's going to take their job. And then number two, they think that it can help their business. Then there's the in-betweens. There's people that are hesitant using it because they don't know how, or they feel like it's not as good as it should be. But I think if you don't learn AI, it will take your job because somebody that knows AI will take your job or eat your lunch. In other words, if you're in business and you're not using AI, someone else that is and using it correctly may take your business, may take your customers, whatever the fact there. First and foremost, get to know about it, get to know more information about it. Take courses if you have to, read blogs, watch videos, listen to this episode, whatever it is, just start to learn the different tools because there's Claude AI, which is like a little bit, I call it a safer tool. There's Chat GPT. Then you have Bing's tool Copilot, which is powered by GPT. But there's different tools for different types of scenarios, especially with email marketing. There's a bunch of different tools that can help you with subject lines or body text and even image generators. I'd be careful with the image generators because they're really risky. Really, what it comes down to is what you put in is what you get out. It comes down to what they call prompting. You develop your prompts or your description of what you want. You have to be very descriptive. In other words, I would not want to say, give me 5 subject lines for the widget I'm selling that is colored blue. You want to have more emphasis. Write 5 subject lines in a friendly tone, use emojis, and explain this widget and how it can affect your business or save you money in 10 words or less, right? That right there was very powerful and it gives you a much better result than just something very short. And don't forget, you can always iterate and have conversations with the AI tools. Okay, great. I forgot to add that I wanted to offer a 30% discount. It'll go back and automatically change those subject lines and add that discount in. This way you don't have to go back and either copy and paste or retype out that whole prompt. But be careful because there's a lot of risk in using AI, especially when it comes to what we call SEO or search engine marketing. When you're putting stuff on your website, say in a blog or just on your web page or in your content, if it's not valuable to your audience, the algorithms are going to hurt you. The recipient servers, wherever your website's hosted, like Google, Bing, Yahoo, they're going to hurt you because it's not quality. Same thing with SEO, same thing with your email subscribers. If you're just copying and pasting the AI results and it's garbage, people are going to unsubscribe, mark your messages spam. Therefore, there was a recent algorithm update to Google, but when you search for things, they say, yes, use AI, but offer value to your audience. In other words, make sure what you're taking from these tools is giving value to your viewer, your subscribers, your social media followers, whatever it is. Make sure that it's in your brand voice, brand tone, and it's offering value and it's not garbage, right? You can even put instructions in. I know I'm going on and I'm going to end it in 1 second here. You can say, don't start sentences with I more than 3 times in this blog post. You can give it specific instructions like that. But yeah, AI is here. It's relevant. It's growing. Just like when email marketing first came about, what is it, like 40 years ago? I think that, people were hesitant to use it. They didn't think it was powerful. Same thing here. Early adopters will reap the rewards.